Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to talk about extends keywords in TypeScript. We're going to learn how to use these extends keywords with interface and class. In previous video we talked about interface. We already know what is interface and we know how to use it to define the shape of a given object. Now here, the extends keywords, if you don't have any idea about the extends keywords, I'm going to make sure you know what it is. The extends keywords in interface, we use it when we want an interface B extends property or keys of an interface A. Let's say here we have an interface here, IA. In the IA interface, we have two keys right here. We have the name and email. And then here we have our second interface, which is interface IB. And then we're gonna say here we're gonna have only the ID, and then we're gonna say it's going to be a string. And here you can see that our B interface have only one key in it, the ID here. And then we are going to use the extends keywords to extend the name and email from the interface A. Here we are going to extend these keys here. And if we create here an object, let's say object B here, and then we tap it with IB interface. Then you're going to see that if we hover the error, the object B here, we are going to get this message. Type is missing the following properties from type IB, ID, name, and email. And if we remove this extends keywords here, we are going to see that our interface B only have one key, which is the ID. And if we pull back the extends keywords here, you're going to see that our IB interface, it is going to ask us to add three keys: ID, email, and name. Then we can add them. ID, say 1, 2, 3, and then here we're going to pass the name here. Let's say John. Email john@example.com. And this is how we can use extends keywords. Is when you want an interface A extends keys of another interface. This is how we use the extends keywords. Now, how can we use the extends keywords? In object-oriented programming, we use also the extends keywords when a class A wants to inherit or extend property of another class. Let's say here we have a class A, here we have a class B here. Here we're going to say class B extends A. Here I'm not going to talk more about object-oriented programming. I'm just showing you how to use the extends keywords. Here you can see class A. Here if we come here and define a function here, let's say get ID, and then we are going to say it is going to return a string 1, 2, 3, and here, and then if we instantiated B, const B equal to new B, and then in the class B we can get access to the getID method. Here if I come here and do this B, we are going to get access to this. And this is how we can use the extends keywords. It means we want a given interface extends behavior of another interface. And that's pretty much it, guys, for this video. In the next video, we're going to talk about the keyof keyword in TypeScript. We're going to learn how to use the keyof keyword in TypeScript. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.